You could have the most incredible speakers, the best venue, and a jam-packed agenda. But if nobody registers for your event, none of it matters. We have helped thousands of organizations run successful conferences and trade shows. And we have seen firsthand why some events sell out while others struggle to get people into seats. So in this video, I'm going to break down 7 exact methods that can help you get a flood of registrations, whether you're running an in-person event, virtual, or hybrid event. Let's dive in. Method 1, high converting event page. Let's start with your event page because this is where people actually decide whether or not to register for your event. If your page is cluttered or confusing, your conversion rate is going to be super low. You need to make it ridiculously easy for someone to understand what your event is about and why they should consider registering for your event. So let me walk you through essential elements every event page needs. First, you need an eye-catching banner that showcases your event name, date, and theme. This is the first thing people see, so make it count. Next, you need a clear, benefit-focused event description. Don't just tell people what the event is. Tell them what they're going to get out of attending. You also need a full agenda with session times and speaker information. People want to know exactly what they are signing up for. And of course, you need a clear button to take the next step and book tickets. You should not make people hunt for it. Finally, add some social proof like testimonials from past attendees or logos from recognizable sponsors. This builds trust and makes people feel like they're not taking a risk by signing up. Now, here's something a lot of event organizers get it wrong. They design their event page for desktop first. But most people are going to see your page on their phone first. So if it does not load properly or the registration form is clunky on mobile, you're going to lose a lot of registrations. You need to optimize for mobile. And one more pro tip here. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm visitors with walls of text. Lead with your strongest value proposition above the fold and make it as easy as possible for people to register. Method 2, early bird offers. Method 2 is early bird pricing. And honestly, this is one of the quickest ways to drive initial registrations. It creates FOMO, the fear of missing out, which makes people want to sign up now rather than wait. It also gives you an early sense of demand so you can adjust your marketing if you need to. And you will start finding out what people are objecting about, whether that's about the event itself, the schedule, or the pricing, which means that you can address those objections to get even more signups. But how do you actually create an early bird offer that actually works? See, the best time to launch your early bird offer is before your current event even ends. While people are still excited attending your event during the last day or right before the closing keynote, you should already be selling out next year's event. And here is the key. That very early bird window should be extremely short, ideally 24 to 48 hours max. This is not about planning later. It is about capturing momentum now while interest is at its peak. For that ultra early window, you need a meaningful discount. I recommend at least 30% off, not 10%, not 15%. It has to be big enough that people feel stupid waiting. One important rule, publicly commit that no one will ever get more than this discount. That instantly anchors value and remove hesitation. People know that this is the best deal they will ever get. After that window closes, prices should only go up, never down. Discounts are powerful, but perks stack the effect. Some high converting options are as follows. Priority access to popular sessions or workshops, exclusive networking sessions or VIP roundtables, early access to the agenda or speaker announcements, guaranteed seating or premium placement for in-person events. These perks cost you very little, but it dramatically increases the perceived value. Now the question is, how do you promote the deadline to create urgency? You need to be uncomfortably clear. Use countdown timers on your event page. Send multiple short emails, not one long one. And say things like, this offer expires in 24 hours and will never return. Repeat the message across email, social, and on-site announcements. And most importantly, mean it. If you extend deadlines, you train your audience not to trust you. Urgency only works when it is real. And by the way, if you're serious about increasing attendance for your next event, click the link in the description for a personalized demo of vFairs. vFairs is an all-in-one event platform that handles everything from registration to ticketing to event apps, badge printing, lead capture, and real-time analytics. Anyway, back to the video. Method 3, freebies and giveaways. Method 3 is freebies and giveaways, which have become a really popular way to promote events. But it is important that you just don't throw random free stuff at people. you need to actually think about the nature of your event and who your attendees are. Because the difference between a giveaway that flops and one that actually works is relevance. You want to offer something memorable and valuable to your specific target audience. A freebie that aligns with your event theme makes people way more likely to enter and sign up as a result. Generic giveaways just get forgotten. But when someone enters a competition for something that they're genuinely interested in, they actually remember it. For B2B conferences and industry summits, the giveaways that works best are career-focused. Things like free certification vouchers, one-on-one sessions with well-known speakers, and premium industry reports that no one else has access to. And for trade shows, anything tied to business outcomes converts far better than swag, like free booth upgrades, featured placements, and sponsored lead packages. Because exhibitors, they care about ROI, not hoodies. Method 4 is email marketing, and this is still the most effective channel for event promotion. Over 70% of event professionals confirm this, and the average email open rate across industries is around 41%. So when done right, email consistently outperforms every other channel for driving registrations. Now, personalization massively boosts conversions here. So to do this, you need to segment your audience into past attendees, prospects, partners, and sponsors, and speak to each group differently because generic blast emails mostly get ignored. So let me walk you through how to build a high converting email sequence. Start with an announcement email to generate that initial excitement. Then reveal your guest speakers and agenda over time to build anticipation. As your early bird deadline approaches, send reminder emails to create urgency. And in the days before the event, send final countdown emails to capture those last-minute registrations. Now, if you want to speed this whole process up, you can use AI. Tools like vFairs AI Event Assistant can draft compelling event emails in seconds. You just select the email type, the tone, and your audience, add specific details, and hit generate. It saves hours of work while still maintaining quality. Method 5, social media. Method 5 is social media. These days, everyone is on social media, including the people you want to attend your event. But posting randomly isn't going to cut it. We need specific strategies for each platform. So let me break down what works best on each one. LinkedIn is perfect for professional events, B2B conferences, and industry gathering. On Facebook, you should create an event page and leverage Facebook's built-in event promotion features. For Instagram, use stories, reels, and behind-the-scenes content to build excitement. And X, formerly Twitter, is great for live updates, speaker announcements, and jumping into industry conversations. You should also create a unique event hashtag and use it consistently across all your social media platforms. And encourage your attendees to share it and then feature that user-generated content on a social media wall at your actual event. Another way to use social media is to run contests and giveaways like I talked about earlier. Create a competition to give away free tickets to someone who actually interacts with your profile. Ask people to tag friends, comment, and share your event post. Things like these get new eyes on your content organically, and a few free tickets can generate more reach than a paid ad campaign would. Method 6, blogging. Next up is blogging, which is great for organic event promotion. Event pages with relevant keywords are more likely to appear in search results when people are looking for event like yours. And this is powerful for a few reasons. First, it's organic traffic, so you don't have to pay for it. Second, someone searching for topics related to your event is already interested. They are our warm-up lead. And third, blogs build your brand and establish trust before someone ever lands on your registration page. So what should you actually write about? Write about topics your speakers will be covering. Write about industry trends that are relevant to your event. And write recaps or highlights from your previous events. But the key is to always include a clear call to action. Every blog post should guide readers towards registrations. Use CTAs like register now or save your spot, and make it easy for readers to take the next step. And finally, method 7 is paid advertising. Look, organic reach will only get you so far. Paid ads let you increase your registrations in a much more predictable way. You can target exactly who you want to reach, and the key is choosing the right platform for your audience. Here's what each platform is best for. Meta ads. So Facebook and Instagram are great for massive reach and really detailed targeting options. LinkedIn is best for B2B events, and you can target by job title, industry, or company size. And Google Ads can capture people who are actively searching for event like yours. Now, to make this work, you need ad creatives that actually convert. So you should lead with the benefit. What will attendees actually gain from coming? And show the experience, not just your logo. Think a packed room and networking moment, a speaker on stage. You should use photos from previous events showing real people engaged, not generic stock images. And if you've got a video footage from a previous event, use it. Nothing says an event like proof that people actually enjoyed your last event. Make sure to always include a clear call to action like register now or save your spot. And one more thing on paid ads. Implement retargeting. This means to show ads to people who visited your event page but did not register, because these warm leads often just need another nudge. And retargeting typically converts at much higher rates than cold traffic. So those 7 methods can definitely help you to improve your registration numbers for your next event. But I would be lying if I said it was easy, especially when you consider everything else you need to manage when running an event. Finding vendors, organizing the floor plan, signing contracts with speakers, and so much more. That's where vFairs come in. vFairs provide an all-in-one event platform that handles everything from registration, ticketing, to email marketing, event apps, and analytics. So you're not juggling across a dozen different tools. So if you want to see how vFairs can actually help you fill your next event, click the first link in the description to request a free demo. And if you want to learn about how to plan that perfect event, then watch this video next.